Want to start editing videos but don't know where to begin? Don't worry, I've got 3 free video editing apps that are perfect for beginners. First up, CapCut. It's super easy to use, has tons of effects, transitions, and even AI tools that make editing fun and simple. Perfect for TikToks, Reels, or YouTube Shorts. Second, VN Editor. This app gives you more control with multi-layer editing, text animations, and pro-level features, all for free, without watermarks. And third, InShot. It's great for quick edits, trimming clips, adding music, and exporting videos in high quality. Beginners love it because it's simple but powerful. The best part? All of these apps are free, available on both Android and iOS, and you can start editing today. So download one, try it out, and unleash your creativity. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.